As you have seen, you must know who your customer are. You must decide limitations, your geographical limitations, which media you will use to contact, and so on. And you have to put these figures in the economical calculations after some time here. You must understand who your customer is. Why will your customer buy from you? And how often will the customer buy from you? All the things you have to put into a concept where you can define my customer is so and so. And that's the one you're going to sell to.